This is why transparent solar technology is the future. What if you don't have to install a large railed mounting structure on the rooftop of your building, homes, or offices, and your glass windows would do the same for you? This idea is going to be the future. Hello and welcome back to TechSphere, guys. In today's video, we are going to tell you about transparent solar technology and why this technology has these two words in it, transparent and solar. So stay with us until the end of the video. Let's begin with the roots. Who proposed this concept and what does it do? But before, what is it? Transparent solar technology is a new, innovative technology making use of sunlight for providing power to homes or buildings. The transparent photovoltaic panel will allow this natural light to enter while avoiding UV and infrared radiation and allowing visibility through the glass. Nowadays, the most important concern is how to reduce the use of fossil fuels. And this new concept is led by Michigan State University engineering researchers, who claim that the widespread usage of such extremely transparent solar applications, along with rooftop units, could particularly cover U.S. energy demand while substantially reducing fossil fuel consumption. Highly transparent solar cells represent the wave of the future for new solar applications, said Richard Lunn, the Johnson Crosby Endowed Associate Professor of Chemical Engineering and Material Sciences at MSU. We analyzed their potential and showed that by harvesting only invisible light, these devices can provide a similar electricity generation potential as rooftop solar while providing additional functionality to enhance the efficiency of buildings, automobiles, and mobile electronics. The worldwide solar energy landscape is about to be transformed by a new solar panel technology. Some of these intriguing technologies are already in advanced phases of development and may be available in the near future. With these advancements, solar will no longer necessitate large land tracts of ugly roof spaces. Aesthetically beautiful and highly efficient solar shingles, for example, are already transforming solar roofs into eye-catching structures. This new solar panel technology has photovoltaic glass with the potential to revolutionize the solar industry. These are transparent solar panels that may generate power directly from windows, such as those in workplaces, residences, automobile sunroofs, and even cell phones. Another aspect of building windows that can create power is the blinds. Lunt and colleagues at MSU pioneered the innovation of transparent luminescent solar concentrator in 2014 that provides solar energy without obstructing the view when mounted on a window. Buildings, automobile windows, cell phones, and other clear-surfaced electronics can all benefit from the thin, plastic-like substance, or in other words, almost any glass sheet or window might be converted into a PV cell with this clear solar panel. Researchers in the United States and Europe have already achieved 100% transparency for solar glass by 2020. Because solar power windows can easily replace regular glass windows in workplaces and residences, the technology has the potential to turn almost every building in the United States and the rest of the globe into a solar producer. Now, do these work? Well, the solar harvesting devices absorb invisible wavelengths of sunlight using organic compounds produced by Lunt and his team. These materials may be tuned to pick up only UV and near-infrared wavelengths, which are subsequently converted into power by the researchers. Because solar cells must collect sunlight, photons, and transform them into power, a transparent solar panel is fundamentally a nonsensical idea, electrons. Solar glass that is transparent allows sunlight to pass through, defeating the purpose of using sunshine. However, the way solar cells absorb light is changing as a result of this new solar panel technology. While allowing regular visible light to flow through, the cell selectively harnesses a component of the solar spectrum that is undetectable by the naked eye. Rather than attempting the impossible by building a transparent photovoltaic glass cell, the researchers invented the Transparent Luminescent Solar Concentrator, or TLSC, to achieve this technological marvel. The TLSC is made up of organic salts that are designed to absorb specific wavelengths of invisible UV and infrared light, and then glow as another wavelength. This new wavelength is then steered to the edge of the window plastic, where it is converted into electricity by thin PV solar cell strips. Researchers anticipated that the TLSC will be able to achieve a 10% efficiency once mass manufacture of transparent solar panels begin. This may not appear to be a large quantity, but when nearly every window in a home or business structure is covered in clear solar panels, the results can be dramatic on a national or global scale. As the cost of transparent solar panels falls as a result of mass production and deployment, this non-intrusive technology can be scaled from commercial and industrial applications to handheld customer products while still remaining very affordable. Along with the cost, the other thing that is important is the renewable energy solutions, and those renewable energy solutions that are both innovative and cost-effective will be required to shift global energy usage away from fossil fuels. Solar power accounts for only approximately 1.5% of total electricity demand in the United States and around the world. However, in terms of overall electrical potential, the authors point out that the United States has an estimated 5 billion to 7 billion square meters of glass surface. With that much glass to cover, transparent solar technologies have the potential to provide 40% of energy demand in the United States, roughly the same as rooftop solar panels. Lunt said, the complementary development of both technologies could get us close to 100% of our demand if we also improve energy storage. According to Lunt, the transparent solar applications have efficiency over 5%, whereas regular solar panels are typically 15% to 18% efficient. Although transparent solar technologies will never be as efficient as opaque solar technologies at converting solar energy to electricity, they can come close and have the potential to be deployed to a far larger surface area, he said. Transparent solar technologies are currently only approximately a third of their overall potential. Lunt further added, "That is what we are working toward," he said. Traditional solar applications have been actively researched for over 5 decades, yet we have only been working on these highly transparent solar cells for about 5 years. Ultimately, this technology offers a promising route to inexpensive widespread solar adoption on small and large surfaces that were previously inaccessible. Now have a look at these types of transparent solar panels. Solar windows are being developed using several ways, similar to how solar roof panels are now produced using many technologies, Tesla's solar shingles and other technologies. Partial and complete transparency solar panels are the two main varieties of transparent solar panels. The first type, partially transparent solar panels, produced by Heliotech GmbH, a German company, created this partially transparent solar panel that can absorb roughly 60% of the sunlight it receives. The partially transparent solar panels have a reduced efficiency of 7.2% when compared to the conventional solar PV cells. However, by altering the balance between transmitted and absorbed sunlight, solar power generation can be boosted. In south-facing glass structures, for example, it is a frequent necessity to minimize the transmitted light. Many such office buildings already use tinted glass. The partially transparent solar panel can be quite useful in these situations. The next type is fully transparent solar panels. MSU researchers have already made a breakthrough in the development of fully transparent photovoltaic glass panels that look like conventional glass. Researchers anticipate that once commercial production begins, the efficiency of these entirely transparent solar panels will be as high as 10%. When entirely transparent solar panels are integrated into huge windows in buildings, their decreased efficiency will almost certainly be offset by their potential scale of development. Now comes the other term, solar panel blinds. These are the easy and effective method to install solar window technology. When using the window to generate power, solar panel blinds are a supplement to transparent solar glass panels. Solar panels are designed to collect sunlight and convert it into energy, whereas window blinds' primary role is to keep the sun's rays out of the house. Solar panel blinds combine these two disparate roles in a clever way. Solar Gap's an innovative firm has invented solar panel blinds that it says can save energy bills by up to 70%. These solar window blinds can generate 100 watts of power for every 10 square feet of window space. You could roughly power 3 laptops with this much electricity. These solar blinds can be set inside or out, and you can manage their angle and location with an app that also shows you how much energy they generate. It has a feature that adjusts the angle of the blinds automatically based on the position of the sun. The companies like Ubiquitous Energy, FICE, and Brit Solar are also playing their role in achieving this entire goal. Ubiquitous Energy is developing its unique Clearview power technology to incorporate transparent solar panels into architectural glass windows in collaboration with the NSG Group, a prominent glass manufacturer. The clear solar coating from Clearview Power can be applied to buildings' windows during the standard glass manufacturing process. Through the filtering of infrared solar heat, the device also improves the energy efficiency of buildings. It can lead to net zero energy buildings when paired with solar energy generation via clear solar panels. FICE is a European company that has developed a cutting-edge product called Power Window. It is in reality the world's only currently installed transparent solar panel covering 300 square feet in a Dutch bank building. The highly transparent solar cells, according to Richard Lunt, the Johnson Crosby Endowed Associate Professor of Chemical Engineering and Material Sciences at MSU, are the wave of the future for new solar panel technologies. So, what is your take on this matter? Will this new concept using glass and windows as solar panels be able to startle the whole world? Tell us in the comments. If you want to see our upcoming videos, subscribe to our channel, ring the bell icon, and don't forget to like our video as well. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching.